up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Reese. I'm from Audular.com, and today we're going to be checking out EDM Hybrid Trap. Now, this pack is a little bit dated, that's fine, but the sounds in it are pristine. I think you guys will really get a kick out of it, so let's just hop right in and check it out. So, I mean, if you want, you can go through the agreements, the artwork, and the demo, and the tutorials. I'm sure that can help people, but what I'm most interested in is the wave files and the presets and the serum stuff. So let's go right into the first folder, which is the 808 kicks. Now I'm just going to click through these and go through some sounds, some loops maybe, and just go ahead and listen, and I'll try and keep quiet while you listen. Ooh, those were very nice. I like those kicks a lot. Let's check out some of these drum loops. Okay, I see. So they're like, okay, yeah, they're pre-keyed and stuff like that. I'm guessing you could use them with the construction kits or any productions you're making. Oh, and by the way, this whole spiel going on here, this is a construction kit I kind of laid out for everybody. And no, we're not going to be focusing on construction kits because I know people don't really like them. But what we did is we used the serum presets that came with it and made our own little drop over here. So we're going to check that out. It's something you can make on the side if you want. So let's keep going through some of these drum loops. Okay, I guess the other is some cymbals, some FX. Okay, I like those. I do like a lot that they keyed it and had some different tempos with those as well. Oops, kind of lost it there. All right, we're back. So let's check out some snares. Ooh, I like that shit. That's real nice. I like that a lot. I know for a fact that, basically, I'll just explain to you now. We use the construction kit, and with the preset or presets that came with the construction kit, and some of the samples that came with it, we created our own second version of the drop. So it's my kind of way of showing you what you can create with the pack. And actually I created that in about 5 minutes. So just kind of gives you an idea of how flexible and versatile it really is. I think I like those high pitch snares a lot. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. That's my preference. Whatever. Let's check out some kicks. Okay. I see. Nice. Okay. So let's listen to this construction kit play while I actually change my audio. There you go. All right. Let's give it a listen. We'll just stop right there before we get to the second version of the drop that I created with the preset, the serum preset, and some of the samples that came with it. But the construction kit right here is it's this one, the Woom Hoom. I'm not sure, is that like a genre, or is that like the song name? It's whatever. But it comes with all the laid out construction kit, audio files and stuff like that they use to create the mix here, but it also comes with MIDI files and the preset file that they use to create the drop. I think that's particularly cool because when people want to make drops, it's pretty uncommon to find a really good drop sound, depending if you use Serum, Silent, even Harmor. I don't even know if they have presets, but you're probably gonna have to make it manually. But it's very convenient that they included the drop leads or drop basses or whatever is leading the drop in there for you. So let's just check out the second version I made. So basically I made it lead from the construction kit drop into my own drop, which I made with the own samples of EDM hybrid trap. Let's just give it a listen here. Nice. I like this pack a lot. Well, I think that's going to conclude the overview and just review of EDM hybrid trap. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video, share this video, do whatever you like. If you'd like to check out this pack, go ahead and look in the description of the video. You can check it out. Feel free to check out our website. Let us know what you think. Have a good one, guys.